Imagine a world where machines can think, learn and solve problems just like humans. This is the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI refers to the ability of computer systems to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and even exhibiting creativity. AI systems are designed to mimic human cognitive functions. They process information, learn from experience, and adapt to new situations. The ultimate goal of AI research is to create machines that can truly understand, interpret, and respond to the world around them in a way that rivals human capabilities. The quest for artificial intelligence has captivated scientists, researchers, and the general public for decades. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's rapidly becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From the virtual assistants in our smartphones to the self-driving cars on our roads, AI is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, it's essential to grasp its fundamental principles, its evolution over time, and its potential to shape our future. In the following sections, we'll embark on an exciting journey to explore the multifaceted nature of AI, its benefits, its challenges, and its implications for society as a whole. The seeds of AI were sown in the mid-20th century, fueled by the groundbreaking work of visionaries like Alan Turing and John McCarthy. Turing, a renowned mathematician and computer scientist, proposed the Turing test in 1950 as a benchmark for machine intelligence. The test assesses a machine's ability to exhibit human-like conversational behavior. In 1956, John McCarthy, widely regarded as the father of AI, organized the Dartmouth Workshop, a pivotal event that marked the official birth of AI as a field of study. The workshop brought together leading researchers to explore the possibility of creating machines that could think. The early years of AI were characterized by both excitement and frustration. Researchers made significant progress in developing AI systems capable of playing checkers, solving mathematical theorems, and understanding simple language. However, the limitations of computing power and the complexity of human intelligence soon became apparent. Despite the challenges, AI research continued to advance throughout the latter half of the 20th century. The development of new algorithms, the availability of vast amounts of data, and the exponential growth in computing power paved the way for remarkable breakthroughs in machine learning, a subfield of AI that allows computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Today, AI is experiencing a renaissance, driven by the convergence of these factors and the emergence of deep learning, a powerful type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers to extract high-level representations from data. This has led to unprecedented achievements in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and robotics. Artificial intelligence encompasses a wide spectrum of techniques and capabilities. To better understand AI, it's helpful to categorize it into different types based on their level of intelligence and the tasks they can perform. One common classification distinguishes between narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, refers to AI systems that are designed to perform specific tasks such as playing chess, filtering spam emails, or recommending products. These systems excel in their designated domains, but lack the ability to generalize their knowledge to other areas. General AI, also known as strong AI, represents the hypothetical ability of a machine to possess human-level intelligence across a wide range of tasks. A general AI system would be capable of reasoning, problem-solving, learning, and adapting to new situations in a manner indistinguishable from a human being. However, achieving general AI remains a significant challenge and is an active area of research. Super AI, a concept that often captures the imagination, refers to a hypothetical form of AI that surpasses human intelligence in all aspects. Super AI systems would possess cognitive abilities far beyond our comprehension, potentially leading to profound changes in society and the very nature of intelligence itself. While super AI remains firmly in the realm of science fiction, it sparks important ethical and philosophical debates about the future of humanity and our relationship with technology. Understanding the different types of AI is crucial for appreciating the current state of the field and its potential trajectory. While narrow AI is already ubiquitous in our lives, the quest for general AI and the implications of super AI continue to fuel our curiosity and imagination. The rise of artificial intelligence has ushered in an era of unprecedented efficiency and problem-solving capabilities across numerous industries. AI systems are transforming the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. One of the most significant advantages of AI lies in its ability to automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks. This automation frees up human workers to focus on more creative, strategic, and complex endeavors. For instance, in manufacturing, robots powered by AI can perform assembly line tasks with precision and speed, increasing productivity and reducing errors. Moreover, AI excels at analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect. This capability has revolutionized fields such as finance, healthcare, and marketing. In finance, AI algorithms can analyze market trends and make investment recommendations. In healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, developing personalized treatment plans, and discovering new drugs. AI's problem-solving prowess extends beyond data analysis. AI systems are increasingly being used to tackle complex challenges in areas such as transportation, energy, and environmental protection. For example, AI is playing a crucial role in the development of self-driving cars, which have the potential to reduce accidents, improve traffic flow, and enhance mobility for people with disabilities. The benefits of AI are undeniable, leading to increased efficiency, improved decision-making, and innovative solutions to pressing global challenges. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more transformative applications across a wide range of domains. While artificial intelligence offers tremendous promise, it also presents significant challenges that must be carefully addressed. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for job displacement. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, they are capable of performing tasks previously thought to be exclusive to humans. This automation could lead to widespread job losses in sectors such as manufacturing, transportation, and customer service. Another challenge is the ethical implications of AI. As AI systems become more autonomous, questions arise about accountability, bias, and the potential for unintended consequences. For example, AI algorithms used in hiring, lending, or criminal justice could perpetuate existing biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Moreover, the development of autonomous weapons systems raises profound ethical concerns. These systems, often referred to as killer robots, have the potential to make life or death decisions without human intervention, raising questions about responsibility, proportionality, and the potential for unintended escalation. The increasing pervasiveness of AI also raises privacy concerns. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data, and there are concerns about how this data is collected, stored, and used. The potential for misuse or unauthorized access to this data is a significant concern. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach involving collaboration between policymakers, industry leaders, researchers, and the public. It is crucial to develop ethical guidelines for AI development, ensure transparency and accountability in AI systems, and invest in education and retraining programs to prepare the workforce for the changing job market. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence is poised to have a profound impact on society, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they will continue to automate tasks, augment human capabilities, and create new possibilities. In the realm of healthcare, AI has the potential to revolutionize disease diagnosis, treatment, and drug discovery. AI algorithms can analyze medical images such as X-rays and MRIs with greater accuracy than human doctors, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. AI-powered robots can assist surgeons in performing complex procedures with greater precision and less invasiveness. Moreover, AI can analyze vast datasets of patient information to identify patterns and develop personalized treatment plans. In the field of transportation, self-driving cars are already being tested on public roads and have the potential to transform the way we commute, travel, and transport goods. Self-driving cars can reduce accidents caused by human error, improve traffic flow, and provide mobility for people who are unable to drive themselves. AI is also being used to optimize public transportation systems, making them more efficient and convenient. AI is also transforming the way we learn and work. Intelligent tutoring systems can provide personalized instruction tailored to individual student needs. AI-powered virtual assistants can automate administrative tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. In the future, AI is likely to play an even greater role in the workplace, collaborating with humans to solve problems and drive innovation. The societal impact of AI is far-reaching and multifaceted. It is essential that we approach the development and deployment of AI systems with careful consideration for their ethical, social, and economic implications. By fostering dialogue, collaboration, and responsible innovation, we can harness the power of AI to create a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous future for all. The transformative power of artificial intelligence is evident in its wide range of applications across various industries. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is already shaping our world in remarkable ways. One of the most well-known examples of AI is IBM's Watson supercomputer. Watson gained fame in 2011 when it defeated two former champions on the quiz show, Jeopardy! Demonstrating its ability to understand natural language, process information, and answer complex questions. Today, Watson is being used in healthcare, finance, and other industries to analyze data, provide insights, and assist with decision-making. Another prominent example is Google's DeepMind, a leading artificial intelligence company. DeepMind developed AlphaGo, an AI system that defeated a world champion Go player in 2016. Go, an ancient Chinese board game, is considered to be far more complex than chess, and AlphaGo's victory was a significant milestone in the development of artificial intelligence. In the field of self-driving cars, companies like Tesla, Waymo, a subsidiary of Alphabet, Google's parent company, and Cruise, a subsidiary of General Motors, are making significant strides. Tesla's autopilot system uses cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to provide advanced driver assistance features, such as lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic lane changes. Waymo is testing fully autonomous vehicles in several cities across the United States, with the goal of launching a commercial ride-hailing service. These are just a few examples of the many ways in which AI is being used to solve real-world problems and improve our lives. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge in the years to come. Artificial intelligence, like any transformative technology, presents both immense opportunities and potential risks. While AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, improve our lives, and solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges, it also raises concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, privacy violations, and the potential for misuse. The automation capabilities of AI could lead to significant job losses in sectors such as manufacturing, transportation, and customer service. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they will be able to perform tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans, potentially displacing workers and exacerbating economic inequality. Furthermore, AI algorithms are susceptible to bias, reflecting the biases present in the data they are trained on. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes in areas such as hiring, lending, and criminal justice. For instance, an AI system trained on a dataset of historical hiring decisions that reflect gender bias may perpetuate that bias in its own recommendations, disadvantaging qualified female candidates. The increasing use of AI also raises concerns about privacy. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data to function, and there is a risk that this data could be misused or fall into the wrong hands. Governments and corporations could potentially use AI for surveillance purposes, tracking individuals' movements, communications, and online activity. Moreover, the development of autonomous weapons systems, often referred to as killer robots, raises profound ethical concerns. These systems would be able to select and engage targets without human intervention, raising questions about accountability, proportionality, and the potential for unintended escalation. Addressing these risks requires a proactive and collaborative approach. Governments, industry leaders, researchers, and civil society organizations must work together to establish ethical guidelines for AI development, ensure transparency and accountability in AI systems, and mitigate the potential negative consequences of AI adoption. As we stand at the cusp of the AI revolution, it is essential to embrace this transformative technology responsibly and ethically. Artificial intelligence has the potential to bring about unprecedented progress, but it also poses significant challenges that must be addressed proactively. To harness the power of AI for good, we must prioritize human well-being and societal benefit in its development and deployment. This requires a human-centered approach that emphasizes fairness, transparency, accountability, and inclusivity. Education and public engagement are crucial to fostering a greater understanding of AI and its implications. By promoting AI literacy, we can empower individuals to engage in informed discussions about the ethical, social, and economic implications of this technology. Furthermore, it is imperative to address the potential for job displacement resulting from AI automation. Governments and industry leaders must invest in education and retraining programs to equip workers with the skills they need to thrive in the changing job market. International cooperation is essential to establish global norms and standards for AI development and use. By working together, nations can share best practices, address common challenges, and ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. The AI revolution presents both immense opportunities and significant challenges. By embracing responsible AI development, fostering collaboration, and prioritizing human well-being, we can harness the transformative power of AI to create a more equitable, prosperous, and sustainable future for all.